Junkies, it's Ashleigh from Mecca Maxima. I'm here to let you in on a little skincare secret. It's the single best thing you can do for your skin, and it's to wear sunscreen. So there's a lot of myths about sunscreen out there, so I'm here to answer all your burning questions. What step in your skincare routine should you apply your SPF? Sunscreen will be your final step in your skincare routine. So firstly, you apply your serum. Secondly, you apply your moisturizer. And then your final step will be to apply your sunscreen. If I wear a foundation or a tinted moisturizer with SPF, do I still need to wear a sunscreen? Although your foundation or tinted moisturizer may have SPF in it, you may not be applying it evenly or heavily enough to give you the best protection. To be on the safe side, it's still recommended to wear sunscreen under your foundation. The Mecca to Stay Face is a perfect base under your makeup and it won't mess with your look. Do I need to still wear sunscreen when it's overcast? Believe it or not, UV rays are still around whether it's hot, cold or cloudy, so you still need to wear sunscreen even in winter. If I'm inside all day, do I still need to wear sunscreen? Surprisingly, yes you do. UV rays can still penetrate through glass, so whether you're sitting inside next to a window or driving your car, you can still get burnt. What's the difference between UVA and UVB? This is a tricky one, but the simple way to put it is UVA can lead to aging and wrinkles, and UVB can cause burning and can also lead to skin cancers. How often do I need to reapply my sunscreen? To be effective, sunscreen should be reapplied every 2 hours without fail. How much sunscreen do I need to apply? Did you know that most people only apply a quarter of the amount of sunscreen that they need? Under-applying is one of the most common sunscreen mistakes that you can make. So for your body, you need to apply about 30 ml to all exposed areas of your skin. That's like a shot of espresso. So that's about this much. The Mecca Cosmetica to Save Body literally feels like a moisturizer, not a sunscreen at all. For your face, you need about 5 ml. That's approximately the size of a teaspoon. But surely a little bit of tan's okay? A tan is your skin's way of showing that it's in trauma, so stick to a faux glow. The only safe tan is the one that comes in a can or a bottle, like our newest favourite, Luna Bronze. Isn't sunscreen oily and smelly? Not all of them. Mecca Cosmetica to Save Face is perfect as it's not oily, it doesn't leave a white cast, it smells delicious, and it won't ruin your makeup either. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you learnt something. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below. And remember to play it safe in the sun.